Life on the road is often romanticized as a carefree adventure of sunsets, campfires, and breathtaking scenery. But the reality is, long-term travel requires a rig that is as practical as it is comfortable. That's exactly what Momentum Vans has achieved with its Odessa build, a premium custom camper van that blends rugged off-road capability with luxury living spaces. For families or adventurers looking to explore the world without giving up comfort, Odessa is the perfect balance between adventure rig and luxury retreat. Momentum Vans, based in Arlington, Washington, has been in the camper van business since 2017. The family-owned company has deep roots in craftsmanship thanks to founder Brian Wright's family background in boat building. That expertise in precision design, woodworking, and fitting shines through in every van they create. Unlike mass-produced RVs, each build for Momentum Vans is tailored to the customer's exact needs, designed with premium materials and assembled with an attention to detail rarely found in the camper van world. Odessa is one of their most impressive builds to date. The foundation of Odessa is a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter 170-inch wheelbase with 4x4 capability. This already capable van has been upgraded extensively for off-road adventures. It features a Line-X protective coating on the exterior, ensuring durability against rocks, branches, and weather conditions. To further enhance its trail readiness, Momentum added an agile off-road RIP suspension kit, BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires, a custom CA-tuned bumper with Baja Designs LP9 lights, and a roof rack-mounted light bar. With added side steps and a roof rack for extra storage, this van is just as ready for the backcountry as it is for city cruising. But the true highlight of Odessa is its interior. Momentum Vans takes pride in building everything in-house, from cabinetry to bed frames, using CAD design and CNC precision tools. This ensures a perfect fit and high-end finish, and Odessa's interior is a showcase of that craftsmanship. Designed for a family of 4, it features extra seat-belted seating and multiple sleeping options. The front driver and passenger seats are upgraded to orthopedic, heated, swiveling Schmielmann seats, which turn to face the living area. Behind them, a bifold bench seat doubles as both extra seating and a bed, creating flexible lounge and sleep configurations. A versatile Lagoon table system allows the family to set up a dining or workspace in multiple locations, adding to the van's adaptability. The kitchen is a modern marvel in itself. Finished with bamboo cabinetry and blue phoenix panels, it combines warmth with a sleek aesthetic. The Korean countertops provide a solid, durable surface for meal prep, and the kitchen includes an induction cooktop, a microwave, a stainless steel sink, and a drawer-style fridge-freezer. A wet bathroom with bamboo shower floor and heating vent doubles as a drying room, making it perfect for outdoor gear-heavy adventures. One of the most unique touches in Odessa is the built-in bar. Crafted into the shower wall and shoe storage area, it includes wooden shelving with cutouts for wine bottles, glass racks, and even an outdoor fold-down table, perfect for happy hour under the awning. At the rear, a north-south bed serves as the main sleeping space, with clever open shelving above to keep the space airy. Underneath, a garage area is designed to haul adventure gear, including enough room for 4 bicycles with a slide-out tray for easy access. Odessa is powered for off-grid adventures, equipped with dual Lithionics batteries, a 3,000-watt inverter, a solar charging system, a 33-gallon water tank, and a hydronic heating system with radiant floors. Air conditioning and on-demand hot water complete the setup, making Odessa a self-sufficient mobile retreat. In every way, Odessa represents the best of both worlds, a rugged, go-anywhere machine and a high-end, custom-crafted home on wheels. For families and adventurers alike, it proves that van life can be both adventurous and luxurious.